What's up, guys?
And girls.
Editing videos has not been the easiest thing in the world now that we're editing in 2.7 and 4K and we're working with a 09 MacBook Pro. Even with the upgrades, we expanded the memory to 8 gigabytes, got a 1 terabyte hybrid drive, new battery, but even then it's
still slow.
Rendering times, export times are just a snail's pace. So we decided to look into gaming computers, and Amazon's best seller is from a company called Cyberpower Pc, which I had never really heard of. But at the time we bought it, it had 1,447 reviews and 4.5 stars. And in the time that we were mulling it over, it picked up 20 more reviews.
Mm-hmm.
So we figured we would pick it up and take a look and see what all the fuss is about. So this is the Cyberpower PC unboxing. We also got a monitor to match, so it's going to be a pretty massive unboxing today.
Yay.
So, enjoy. Okay, so this is everything we got. We didn't have a monitor to work with, starting with the system, because we were just coming off of a laptop. I didn't really want to plug it into a TV because that's just too big. So we also went and got this Philips 27-inch curved monitor, HDMI capable, with built-in speakers. I figured it would be a good monitor that would double as like a gaming monitor for maybe like a PlayStation or Xbox One. Here is the system itself. If I remember correctly, I think the specs were Intel i5 9400F with 2.9 gigahertz, 6 core, 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM at 2400 megahertz, 250 gigabyte solid state drive, and a 2 terabyte hard drive. I might be wrong, maybe it might be 1 terabyte. As well as a
Did you memorize all that?
Just, yeah.
Sheesh.
GeForce, the GTX 1660, a 6 gigabyte graphics card. I also, because I wanted to use this for video editing, got RAM expansion, 8 gigabytes at 2400 megahertz. We needed another HDMI cable and just some surge protectors because we needed some. So let's start with the monitor.
That was on back order. We were supposed to get it 4 days ago.
So we would have shot this video a lot sooner had it not been for this thing through USPS ending up at the wrong like sorting facility or something. But you know, USPS has got a lot on their plate right now, so I'm not going to be mad
Even
about it.
when they don't got much on their plate.
Yeah.
But anyways.
Let's do it.
You're such a nerd. But I love nerds. Wow, that is really sleek. Nice.
Probably not the way you should be screwing stuff.
With your army knife.
Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look. We got our mouse. Pretty standard optical mouse, black on black. That's pretty nice.
That's alright.
Yeah, that's alright. Drivers, Wi-Fi antenna. Here's the remote for the RGB fans and the power cable. Apparently you get a free gaming pad when you register. bad.
Oh. That's ugly though.
Keyboard.
Oh, it's red.
Red and black.
Black and red.
Not bad. Feels like relatively cheapy keyboard. Maybe we'll upgrade it in the future. I do like that the WASD are red for, you know, because that's how you move around.
I don't know how I feel about the red on the keyboard. I kind of want it to be all black, but
We can get a wireless keyboard in the future.
yeah.
It'd be useful to get a wireless keyboard in the future.
That's an ugly keyboard. Now that I just said
You heard it here, folks. It's an ugly keyboard.
I personally don't like it.
All right.
But it's all good. Here comes the motherboard.
Mothership.
Mothership.
Mother. I don't want to lose grip.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? It's not nearly as heavy as I thought it was going to be. That was scary for a second.
What happened? Give me that. Give me the trash.
We need to keep this box for just a little bit, just in case anything goes wrong with this bad boy.
What? That big ass box? Where are we gonna put that?
I don't know. All right, tempered glass. This is packing foam.
Can I peel this off?
It's pretty nice. Yeah, you can. So here's our packing foam right here.
Huh.
I'm gonna go ahead and and see what we're working with here. Here's our hardware. So we're looking at our chip right here. We've got our rear RGB fan. There's the graphics card. Here's our 8 gigabytes of RAM. It looks like there are 4 slots. I only have 1 slot that I'm going to use, but nonetheless. And we've got our 3 RGB fans here up front.
Here.
Now the question is, which way did it go? I'm hooking up these Wi-Fi connectors to the back right now.
Oh, that's pretty. It's really cool. Can I unpeel this off?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Cools.
Got a power cord.
My protein shake.
Here's our little remote for the RGB and maybe the fans too. I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh, cool. Here, put it that way so they can see. Nice. Oh, that's the remote.
Look at that. You can choose the color you want, or you can just have the RGB going.
Let me see the colors.
Play with it.
That's pretty. Which color should we do?
I don't know, just
I
keep
like-
it basic with the red.
I like red.
Okay, so setup is complete. We tucked the computer back here behind the desk. Got the peripherals set up. The mouse is RGB, so that's pretty cool. Keyboard lights up. It lights up, that's cool. The computer's been on since we tested the RGB fans, so let's just see how the monitor does with everything, since it's already kind of been on for a minute. Take a look, bud. All right. Okay, so we've done the initial setup. They're calibrating the computer. It's just basic Windows 10 stuff. It's been a while since I've been on Windows, so I don't really know how this goes anymore, but it's all pretty straightforward. Wow. The nostalgia is real. Has really been a while since I've been on Windows. Fantastic. We'll minimize this. Get myself a custom background here in a minute, because this is crazy. All right, that wraps it up. Computer looks good. Not nearly as heavy as I'd expected it to be, which is cool. The RGB is cool. I didn't think that was going to be a cool thing until I saw it, but
Yeah,
yeah.
I like it. I like all the color.
The monitor is great. That wasn't really part of the package, but all in all, that was monitor and computer combined. It was like a little over $900 for the setup. Not bad. So we'll see how it goes with video editing and occasional gaming, and check back in.
Yeah, I was gonna say, are you gonna game on it? 'Cause
Yeah, we'll see.
I game on my.
We're gonna be
my
playing some
PlayStation.
PlayStation, but we'll check back in if there are any issues with it. Hopefully there's not. But otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video.
Video.
But otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. We would really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks, guys. Video.
But otherwise.